everybody, got a real sweet truck here today. Nice little restomod 1964 Chevy C10. This thing is gorgeous, like pale turquoise metallic paint. Just a real stunner, real knockout. The quality of the work, the fit, finishes of the entire piece is just over the top gorgeous. Love this seat right here. Got the armrest and cup holders. Makes things real nice and comfy there. Feels like real leather to me too. Not sure though. But yeah, it's got a modern radio in it. I'm not sure if that one has Bluetooth in it or not. Tilt column here. These guys, power windows. Check this out. Even though the levers, they look like they're roll-ups, they're not. Beautiful gauge cluster. It's got temp on there, fuel, oil pressure, and then charging. So all those check out. About 4,562 miles on the clock since completion. Fuel injected, 350 under the hood. It's got a lot of performance upgrades. Check out the website. 700R for automatic overdrive transmission for highway cruising. And yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up the highway speed's absolutely no problem. Yeah, she's got a bit of a she's got a bit of an attitude. I like it. Feisty little 350 underneath there. No shortage of power. Great accelerator. Runs smooth. I did hear a little bit of a rattle. I'm guessing that's a heat shield or something like that. We'll have the shop take a look at it. No big deal there at all. It's sitting on 20-inch rims, and it's lowered, so I haven't had any problems with you know, rubbing of the wheels or the quality of the ride. It's very nice all the way around, really. Great truck, 12-bolt rear end here. I love the custom dash. Look at that. Totally gorgeous. Our shop went ahead and inspected this car top to bottom. Our lead mechanic did. And we had to do an alignment to it. We put new turn signal sockets in the back, I believe. And then we fixed the air conditioning. So short list, there may have been one or two other things that we did, but you can go on the website and check it out. The point of our test drive is to go ahead and make sure it runs and drives fine, which it absolutely does. This thing is great. Really nicely built, wonderfully put together, comfortable, has modern creature comforts, you know, like big Willwood disc brakes all the way around, and rack and pinion steering. It's got a full Mustang 2 front clip on it, so it's got like two-wheeler control arms and everything you could ever imagine. Upgraded all the way around, clear on the bottom, so, and the top too. So yeah, check out all the details, pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
After 3 months, this was a life-changing experience for me. My kids, who are now 8 and 7, very aware that